Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is 8th video for gym management system in Django, and in this video we are going to work on the pricing page, or you can say plans page. Okay, so in this page what we are going to do, we will create a plans, and in that plans we will show the features. Okay, that which features are included in that particular plan or not. Okay, so we will show the comparison. Here you can see the comparison in the table form. Okay, so we are going to do these two things in this video. We will create a model and migrations, and we will show the all data from the database. Okay, so this is the thing that we are going to do in this video. And additionally I am going to perform the two things. The first thing is we will show the gallery image in the home page. Okay, this is the first thing. And the second thing is I will define the link on the logo and the home page. Okay, so this is the additional thing that we will also perform in this video. Okay, so in the previous video you have seen that how we have customized our UI with the help of Jazz admin. Okay, I hope you have successfully implemented that. Okay, and if not, then you can search Jazz admin and you can apply, and I have defined all the things in my previous video. Okay, so let's start to do the first task. We will create the subscription model and migration. Okay, so let's start to do this. So I will go to the command line and stop the server, and I will create the migration. I will create the first model, then we will create the migration. So I'll go to the Django apps, and I'll go to the where it is, yeah, here, and then we will go to the main, and then we will go to the models.py file. Okay, and here we will create plans. Okay, so the first is subscription plans. Okay, and the class will be sub plan. Okay, and we will extend the model class. And here what I will do, the first thing is title. Okay, so the title will be models dot char field, and the maximum length we will define here 150, and then we will define, you can say, actually we are not showing any detail or anything, so we will just define the name and the price. Okay, so let's define the price, and this price will be per month. Okay, so this will be you can say integer field. Okay, and then we will define the maximum length equal to, okay, because we are doing the gym management system. If you are doing any other project here, then you can define the float field also. Okay, so I will define the maximum length here 50, you can see. Okay, and then we will return the title of the plan. So here we can say the plan. Okay, so this is the plan. Now we will define the features, this plan features. Okay, so let's say subscription plan features. Okay, and define sub plan feature. Okay, and here we will define the model, and then we need to define the relationship between the feature and the plan. So what I will do, I will define sub plan equal to models dot foreign key, and here we will define the sub plan. And on delete I want to say, I yeah, on delete what I will do, models dot cascade. Okay, so what it will do, it will delete the data if we delete the plan. Okay, if we delete the data, it will delete the features also. Okay, so this is the thing. Now what I will do, this is the foreign key, and now this is the title of the feature. Okay, so I will define here models dot char field, and okay, so this is the feature. Okay, so we need just the title because we just want to show the data that what's included in the plan or not. Okay, so this is fine. Now we will return from this plan, like we can say title. Okay, so we have defined our subscription plan and features. So let's migrate this py my manage.py make migrations. Okay, so here we have migrated that. So maximum length is only okay. So we don't need this maximum length if we are using the integer field actually. Okay, this is just a warning, but it will run the migration. So manage.py migrate. So we have successfully migrated that. Now we will add this both model in a admin. Okay, so let's go to the admin and we are going to say this will be sub plan admin, and here we will say sub plan, let's say sub plan. Okay, and here we will add the title and here we will add the price. Okay, similarly we will do this for sub plan. Here we will do sub plan feature. Okay, so here this will be sub plan feature and only we need the title. Okay, so this will be sub plan feature and this will be sub plan feature and this will be admin. Okay, so we have defined our models in the admin. Now what I will do, I will just run the server py manage.py run server. Okay, so I will go to the admin. I think this is I like this personally. I don't know what is your choice, but I like this Jazz admin instead of Jet admin that that we have implemented in our e-commerce website. Okay, so let's refresh the page, and here we have subplan and subplan feature. Let's make this subplan top. Let's make this subplan feature after the subplan. So what I will do, I will go to the settings file. I will go to the settings. I will go to the settings, and here, what I will do here, let's word wrap and main, and here we will say subplan, and then we will say subplan feature. Okay, subplan feature. So refresh the page. So I will refresh the page here. Okay, and but it is showing according to the, it is showing, let's say we can also, okay, we will see that I have one thing that I'm seeing that this FAQ should be not in between the subplan and subplan feature. We will see that why it is doing. I will see the configuration of this admin settings. Okay, so let's go to the subplan and create here plan, and let's say basic, sorry, this will be basic, and let's say $150 per month. Okay, let's save this, and we need to create 250 and 350, and the name will be basic, and let's say medium, and we have 250. Okay, save, and here we have, now we have advance, so advance and 350. Okay, so we have these plans now. So let's create the page and fetch these plans with price. Okay, we will fetch these features later, or you can say let's add the feature also. Why we will delay this? Okay, so here you can see that we have a subplan and subplan features. Now it is I think this is a page refreshing issue, but the question is still arrived that why the FAQs are coming after this subplan feature, because the FAQs actually we don't, I think we didn't define the FAQs in the list, so that it is coming. So let's define this FAQ after the page. Let's define the FAQ. So this will sort our problem, this will sort our issue. uh, the name of the FAQ model is, let's say FAQ, the name is right, and here the FAQ main, FAQ main. Okay, let's see, maybe the refresh issue, so that it is not showing. Yeah, the, I'm sure that this is a refresh issue, so that it is not showing the FAQ before the subplan. Okay, now everything is working perfectly. Okay, so we have defined our subplans. Now let's define our subplan features. So I will add, so this will be basic feature, and this basic feature will be exercise schedule. Okay, and this will also goes to the medium save. Okay, and this will also goes to the advanced. Okay, so this will be, now let's add the feature. Let's say diet plan. So this diet plan will go to the basic, and then this diet plan will go to the medium, and this diet plan will go to the advanced also. Okay, and now let's go to the individual code. So this will be go to the medium and advanced. Okay, so let's say medium, and we will say advanced. Okay, okay, now this cardio will also go to the both, also go in both medium and in the advance. Okay, and now the individual and now the cardio functional training is only goes to the advance. So I will add here, so advance, so add here save. Okay, so we have defined this, but this is I think we should also show the sub plan, because we don't know that this feature belongs to which one. So we need to show this. What we need to do, let's say let's go to the admin.py file, and here we will define the in the sub plan feature. Here we will define the that we need to show the sub plan also. Okay, so here we have added one thing, that is not should be in the advanced, because in the advanced we need just cardio and functional training, and in the medium we need to add just advanced. So this will be not, this should be not in the advanced. So what I will do, I will delete this. So tick and delete this selected. Okay, so yes, I'm sure I want to delete. Okay, so in the basic we have two things, in the medium we have four things, in the advanced we have four things, but we have also extra thing, that is a functional training. Okay, okay, so we have defined our data according to the plan. Now we need to show the data in the pricing page. So I will go to the template. So I will go to the I'll go to the XAMPP server, I will go to the folder gym system, and I'll copy this pricing.php and paste in the templates and paste it here. Okay, so I will say HTML. Okay, and let's just, we need this main. Okay, I'll remove all the things. Okay, fine. Now we just need to extend this template. So I'll open any one template. Let's say we have inquiry, so I will open this and copy this here and paste it here. I hope you are understanding all the things. If you have any issue, any doubt, then please add in the comment section. Okay, you will find all, if you see this video carefully, and if you research something, if you do the self study, then you will I'm sure you will understand all the things. Okay, but if you still find something, then please add the issue, or add the issue in the comment section, or email me. I have given the email in my about section. Okay, so I will try to reach you as soon as possible. Okay, so we have defined this thing. Okay, and we have extended the template. Now we need to define the URL and view for this. Okay, so first of all, let's go for the URL, url.py, and here we will define the pricing. So we will say, let's say pricing. Okay, and here we will say pricing, and now we will open the views.py file, and here we will create the pricing. So I will copy any of them. I will copy this FAQ and I will paste it here, and let's say subscription plans. Okay, subscription plans, and here we will say pricing. Okay, and this will be pricing.html, and this will be pricing. Okay, and this will be also pricing. This is pricing. Okay, so this will be sub, so this will be sub plan, this will be sub plan fx, not this will be not sub plan, this will be model, this should be sub plan. Okay, and okay, fine. So let's show the data. Okay, let's actually uh, okay, fine, no issues. Let's see, let's go to the pricing.html, and here we will this should be in the loop. Okay, this column should be in the loop. Actually, this column should be in the loop. Okay, so I will remove this. Actually, let's make keep it as it is. We will change later. Okay, let's make it in the loop. So for let's say pricing, what we are sending from the view, let's, this is a pricing, let's say plans. Okay, so this denotes the plural, and plans will be, let's say plan in plans. Okay, so plan in plans, and here now we'll open the div, and here we will add the name plan dot title. Okay, so I will refresh this page. Okay, so we have this basic, medium, and advanced. No, we are actually, this is the template. I will close this, and we need to define the link in the base HTML. Base, where is yeah, base HTML, and now here we will define the link for pricing. Pricing, this is pricing. Refresh the page, where it is, refresh the page. Let's go to the pricing, and here we have but it is showing something wrong. So what we are doing wrong here. Okay, and this will be end here, end, and here, and this will be end 4. Actually, refresh the page, and it is saying that column basic, medium, advanced, but something is wrong here. So something, you can see that we are doing the wrong here. The thing is, the column is, let's say we have this pricing. Let's open the template, let's open this pricing.php, and we have in the column, we have a column card, this thing, and we have, I'll copy this div. Actually, this is the same div, so why it is showing in the, oh my god, oh, okay. Actually, we need to put this in the container so that it is showing in the, this is the very, silly mistake, but it's okay. So I will copy this whole thing. Okay, and paste it here, and after that I will copy this section, and copy this section and end it after the main. Okay, so refresh the page. So we have plans, and these two are not in the loop, but actually these data is in the loop. Now we need to define that which data should be highlighted. Okay, so which should be highlighted. So what we will do, we can define in the sub plan. Here we need to define, let's say highlight status, you can say. Okay, highlight status equal to models dot let's say boolean field, and default is default is false. Okay, and we will add the null is true, because we are adding this after adding the data in this table. Okay, So what I will do, I will close this and py manage.py, make migrations, run this, and after that I will run migrate. Okay, and then I will run server. Okay, now let's go to the section here and we will go to the plans. We have plans. Now I will also show this status in the admin. So I will go to the admin and in this field highlight status. Actually, let's go to the, yeah, we are right. Okay, so we have status is not showing, so I will say this should be, this should be yes, this should highlight status is yes. Okay, so now it is showing this kind of thing. Okay, so here one more interesting thing that I want to show you, we can edit this in a from the list also. Okay, so how we can do that, let's see. This will be list editable and we will pass the this should not be here, this should be here. Okay, and we will pass this highlight status. Okay, and this is tuple, so I will add comma. So here you can see that this is refreshing. Let's refresh this. Why it is not refreshing? Let's go to the list editable and yeah, this is working fine. Let's restart the server and let's run, yeah. So I will refresh the page and here you can see that we can edit from the list. Okay, so if I say yeah, advance is yes, let's say no, and we can save from the list section also. Okay, so this is the small thing that you can implement, but this is you can say this is very a good thing. Okay, okay, so where we are, we are showing the data. Okay, so now we need to highlight this. So I will go to the pricing.html. I will remove this. Okay, I will go to the pricing.html file and now let's see how it is here. You can see that we need to put this div if our status is true. Okay, so if our status is true, then we need to put this div here. Okay, so let's see, if plan dot highlight status, okay, then this will be work, else this will be work, and if. Okay, so refresh the page and it is saying that and for, why it is saying that, so this is because the tag is not closing properly. So refresh the page. So but it is a highlight status. So what the name of the field, highlight status? So let's say highlight status and let's say this is yes. Actually, okay, this is yes, save. Okay, refresh. Yeah, so here you can see that we have now the field is in the field is in now highlighted, but actually we need also this border. So this should be, I will add this in the class here and this will be border primary. Okay, let's add this border primary here and I will end if in the class. Okay, so here you can see that now we can able to remove this static data here we are. Okay, fine. So we have successfully created the plan section. Now we need to fetch its features. Okay, now we need to fetch its feature and we will also show the compare plans here. Okay, okay, so we have created the plans. Now we need to show the compare plans. We will compare the plans and we also need to show the money. Okay, the pricing, and we also want to show the features. Okay, so what we will do, the first thing we will do, let's change the price. Let's make the price dynamic. So this will be price. Refresh the page. Now here we have this thing. Okay, now let's fetch the data. Okay, so how we can fetch the data, let's see. Actually we are going to achieve that we are fetching the related table data. Okay, so let's see that how we can fetch the related table data directly in the template. Okay, sorry. Okay, so for, let's say, feature in, and here is the magic, plan dot subplan set dot all. Okay, so what it will do, it will return all the data, and we just only need one list. Okay, and here we will say and 4. Refresh the page, and this will be 4 dot feature dot title. Okay, and we will refresh this. Okay, so it is saying okay, this will be not subplan, actually this will be subplan feature. So refresh the page. So here we have a plans. Okay, so this is basic, medium, and here you can see that we have highlighted this with the help of status. Now we need to show the compare, now we need to compare the plans. So here we need to define the logic. Okay, so how we can define the logic, so see this carefully. The first thing, we need to fetch this data in the loop. So what I will do, and for plan in plans. Okay, and remove this thing, and 4. Okay, and here we will add plan dot title. This will not change because of we have already added this data statically, but this is now dynamic. Okay, this is now dynamic. If I remove this, let me show you, then it will be empty. Okay, so data is dynamic now. Now we need to fetch this data. Okay, so here we will fetch all the features, but we have lots of feature here. We have added the features like this exercise schedule in three plans, in the, like in the advanced also, medium and basic, but we need this one time. So what we will do, we need this distinct data. Okay, so what I will do here, I will go to the views.py file, and here we will say let's say d features, distinct features equal to models dot subplan feature dot, and this will be distinct. Okay, actually this will be objects dot distinct, and here we will pass the column name. Okay, and let's pass this data in the template. So d features, and here we will pass the variable. Okay, now let's go to the pricing table, and we need to make this row. I will remove this all the things here. Okay, we just need to add this loop in a one row. So this will be feature in d features. Okay, and we will make this row dynamic, and for this will be okay. And now let's go to the here. So we have 5 features mainly. Okay, so this will be, if I say cardio and functional training, cardio individual coach, diet plan and exercise schedule. So these are the mainly 5 features that we are going to show here. Now we will change this with the dynamic data. So here will be feature dot title. Okay, and we will refresh the page here. So here you can see that now we need to show that this cardio is exist in the basic, in the medium or advanced. So actually let me show you in the pricing.php. We have implemented a bootstrap icons. Okay, here I'm going to introduce you bootstrap icons. So let's see. Actually these icons are introduced in bootstrap 5 version. Okay, so if I go to the icons, you can see, you can easily install this. You can install via node.js npm command. You can install via you can directly download from the GitHub repo. Okay, so these are the thing here. I have a I will give this link in the description also. Okay, so I have already downloaded this, so I will copy this Bootstrap icons and I will say in the static. Okay, and I'll copy this, and let's open the pricing.html pricing.php file, and I will adding this. So I will open this footer. Where is the footer? Here is the footer. So it is adding in the header. So this is the header, and here the Bootstrap icons. I will copy this footer, and pricing, I will remove the pricing. We just need this here, or we just need this data here. Okay, so I will add it here directly. Okay, so in this we will say static, and this will be Bootstrap font of this icons, and this will be here. Okay, so in the static Bootstrap icons fonts, this thing. Okay, so now we will show this according to the condition. So what is the condition? Let's see. So when we refresh, this is the template. Actually we need to remove this. Okay, now it is showing all the things, but we need to show only the if the cardios exist in the basic, the medium, and the all thing. So what is the logic behind this? So let's see. The first thing, we need to run one more loop here, and for here. Okay, so it will run always the plans. Okay, so here we need just one column. Okay, so this is running, and this will be show. What I will do, I will check the plan ID. Okay, I will check this plan ID and match this with the feature, and in that sub plan ID. Okay, so here what I will do, let me show you. So if plan dot id equal to feature subplan dot id, okay, then we will show this. And if refresh the page, actually this will be sub this is the feature id, this is the subplan id, this will be feature dot subplan id. Okay, now what I will do, if this will not match, else I will show it here. And what I will show, the X icon. Okay, the X icon, and I will say text danger. Okay, and here I will say capital X. Why it is not showing that? Let's go to the X icon, Bootstrap. Okay, and this is the byx, and this should be X icon. Yeah, this is fine, this should be fine. Okay, no issues. Okay, so this cardio is in the medium but not in the basic and advanced. Cardio functional training is in the advanced. Diet plan is in the, okay, wait a minute, we are doing something wrong here. Actually this diet plan should be in the basic also. Okay, so what we need to do here, okay, so here is an interesting thing that I am this the compare plan task is I am leaving on you, that what should we do for this compare plan, because as you know we are fetching this data distinct, and this cardio is belongs to two plans in the medium also, and in not the cardio, you can say the exercise schedule is belongs to all the three plans, but we are fetching this distinct value, that what we should do, that it should show the checkbox for 3. Okay, so please add your comment in the please add your solution in the comment box, that what should we do. Okay, so I will update this tomorrow according to the best solution. Okay, I have also a solution, but I will update according to your solution. Okay, so I this query is I am leaving on you that how you can do this. Okay, you can say that this is an exercise for you. Okay, so we have accept this, we have completed our planning subscription page. Now the next video, in the next video I will show you that how we will do the inquiry page and send the data. Okay, so we will do this. I think we have performed this inquiry page. Let's see in the model inquiries. Yeah, we have performed this inquiry page, we don't need to do this. We then we will move to the next section, we will move to the subscription section, like user dashboard, user register, login, and all the things. Okay, so please add your comment, add your answer for this compare plan, that what we can do so that it should show the basic, medium, and advanced feature, and we with the checkbox. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, please. I'll request you that please like this video. Okay, so thank you so much.